Did you know that Gartner predicts 45% of organizations worldwide will have experienced attacks on their software supply chains, a threefold increase from 2021? Welcome to a journey that equips you to tackle one of cybersecurity's most shrewd adversaries, supply chain attacks. The Certified Software Supply Chain Security Expert is a first-of-its-kind, comprehensive, hands-on course that enables you to navigate the rough seas of software supply chain security risks. We arm you with the prowess to recognize, validate, and fortify against these threatening currents. Whether you're a security engineer, AppSec professional, or software developer, the Software Supply Chain Security Expert course will provide the knowledge, tools, and techniques to implement and mature a software supply chain security program. Our hands-on, browser-based labs equip you from theory to practice. Face real-world supply chain attack scenarios, compromise systems, patch those vulnerabilities, providing a 360-degree understanding of supply chain attack complexities. You can access the course and labs right within your browser. With no software to download, you'll be up and running in no time. If you ever have any questions, our 24/7 support on Mattermost will get you the answer from the instructors within minutes, not hours. In this course, we'll dive deep into the world of software supply chain security risk, and you will learn the risks present in commercial, open source, and proprietary third-party code, the security threats nestled deep within container systems and orchestration platforms like Kubernetes. To decipher attack scenarios chained to the vast expanse of the cloud and its managed services. To map the risks against recognized frameworks like MITRE ATT&CK and NIST SSDF, formulating a robust defense strategy for supply chain security. The common defenses against intricate attacks and how to implement them, boosting your organization's resilience. The contemporary technologies and solutions that reinforce your software supply chain security. Emerging from this course, you will have an all-encompassing understanding of supply chain attacks, from code, containers, and clusters, all the way to the cloud. By completing this course, you'll not only be able to challenge and earn the Certified Software Supply Chain Security Expert certification, but you'll also be able to demonstrate your software supply chain security skills to employers and peers. Join the ranks of top-notch companies and 5,000-plus successful students by securing your future with our globally recognized certification in software supply chain security. Get ahead of the curve and start your learning journey today at practicaldevsecops.com.